Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in our handloom saree story section, we are going to be looking at Ajrakh Modal Silk sarees. The word Ajrakh itself comes from the words Ajar, which means brick, and Ak, which means little. Ajrakh prints are very unique. They are made from wooden blocks which are carved into tiny little geometric shapes. We are going to see Ajrakh Modal Silks. Now Modal Silks are very special. Modal Silk is an engineered fabric. It is made out of cellulose of wood pulp from the beech tree is made into Modal Silk. Modal Silk is today worldwide. It's emerging as a very top class fabric for major fashion design houses in the world. It's got a beautiful drape, it's got a beautiful glow, and it's light. Really is a fantastic canvas to showcase for any designer. So Modal Silk is earning its fame both for its drape and feel, and also, as I said, it's a very environmental friendly fabric, and also a lot of people buy it as a vegan fabric because there are no animal products involved. So it's very popular with vegans and with Ahimsa saree lovers. Now let's take a look at this beautiful black Ajrakh Modal Silk saree. The black organic dye which is used and the Modal Silk fabric together makes this such a beautiful saree. I'll just open it out for you. Beautiful. The patterns are lovely patterns. As you can see, lots of floral, leaf, ferns and some geometric patterns as well. You can see almost like an anchor of a ship. It's really beautiful. The edges of the saree, the borders are having some more lovely floral and a little bit of geometric motifs as well. It's beautiful. Very typical Ajrakh. And let's go on to the pallu. I'll just flip it around. Wow. It's got a beautiful zari strip on the pallu, which is called the Langdi Patta Ajrakh Modal Silk saree. It's very special. Not many of these sarees are made. And as you know, Ajrakh takes many days of work to print a full saree. It's hand block printing made with hand. So let's take a quick look at the blouse of the saree. As you can see, beautiful, very distinctive geometric patterns have been used. A little bit of floral elements as well. This is how the whole thing will look together. The pallu, the blouse and the body. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous, beautiful brick red Ajrakh Modal Silk saree. Wow. This is how the body of the saree looks. Wow, the fabrics feel so good. Look at the pattern. It's lovely jali pattern throughout the body. In between the jali, the beautiful motifs, geometric motifs, some florals as well. If you come closer, you can see the intricacy of these patterns. In between the jali, the motifs which are there, both the floral and the geometric motifs. And the edges of the saree, the borders are having a lovely floral pattern as well. And I'll show you how the pallu of the saree looks. Really pretty pallu. If you see the center of the pallu, it's got a lovely interplay of geometric and floral motifs and the colors red, blue and the black. The floral motifs in between the diamond motifs, and the diamond motifs have got small floral booty in between, and on both sides you have circular motifs. Entire formation looks so beautiful and the colors are rich. Let's take a look at the blouse of the saree. Lovely. The blouse takes off from the center portion of the pallu. It's very similar, the blouse, and this is how the whole saree will look together. The blouse, the pallu and the body of the saree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to take a closer look at this saree and the entire Modal Silk collection, please come over to our store. Our store is open in TTK Road, Alwarpet. Please come over and you can have a look at all our lovely collections. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.